Today on Steve TV, I'm going to show you guys how to transform faded plastic trim on your car to like new condition. So let's get into it. Okay, the only tool you're going to need today to change that faded, nasty plastic back to like new shape is a Wagner or any type of heat gun. A hairdryer won't do it, it doesn't get hot enough, so you actually need a heat gun. Okay, as you can see on this car, when you get up close, it's very oxidized. The plastic has become quite faded. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get rid of that with a heat gun. It's really simple. Alright guys, this is how you do it. Get your heat gun. I put mine on the high setting. And what you want to do is, you want to get it as close as you can, really close to the car. And you just want to kind of keep it moving. You don't want to leave it sitting in one space for for too long of a time, because it'll melt the trim. So you want to keep it moving where the heat is only hitting the surface. If you sit there and let it heat soak, it's going to turn the whole piece soft, and you're going to end up warping your trim. Nobody wants to do that. And there you can see a major difference that fast with just a heat gun. That's before, and that's after. So let's do a bigger piece of the car, and I'll get you a better before and after. So let's get to it. All right, there you have it. I just completed this one whole side with the heat gun, and you'll see a massive difference in the before and after. And in case you're wondering, there's absolutely no Armor All or no kind of chemical on this. This is the actual plastic itself, without washing it or doing anything to it. That's just the full transformation from the heat gun. And one thing that you want to remember is, if it's a painted part, like if it's a plastic bumper but it's painted, you don't want to do this, because it's just going to bubble the paint off. You're going to waste your time. This is just for parts that are solid plastic with no paint on them. You can see this back quarter right here. I haven't done this yet. The front quarter on this car right here, I did this 2 months ago, and you can still see the big contrast. So this isn't a temporary fix, this is a permanent fix. And every time it fades out, which will take years, you can always redo it. Well, there you have it, a one-step fix to fix faded plastic trim work on your car. And it'll actually work on any plastic that's faded out by the sun. You just have to be careful. If it's real thin, you'll probably melt it, but all you can do is try a little test area and see if it works. So thanks for watching.